Have you ever considered visiting a country where ladyboys are often considered more attractive than women? Welcome to the dark side of Thailand. This country, formerly known as Siam, is notable for being the only Southeast Asian never colonized, yet it hasn't been without its struggles. The Thai people began settling the region roughly 700 years ago, with many kingdoms rising and falling. The Chakri dynasty, established in the 1780s, was one of the most notable, extending the kingdom into modern-day Laos, Cambodia, and Malaya. Despite this, French colonial influence remained until the early 19th century. In 1932, a coup led by Army officer Phraphon Phomphayuhasana Pusak shifted the government toward a Western-style democracy, with the monarchy remaining in place. Pusak became prime minister in 1938 and renamed the country to Thailand. He modernized the country, adopting the Western calendar, designing a new flag and national anthem, and even enforcing Western-style clothing to signify modernization. Though another prime minister briefly ruled in 1946, Pusak regained power in 1948. After his ousting in 1957, Thailand fluctuated between democratic and military rule before settling into its current constitutional monarchy. Today, the king retains power through the constitution, supported by the National Assembly, Council of Ministers, and the courts. Thailand boasts the second-largest economy in Southeast Asia, with a GDP of $495.36 billion and a per capita GDP of $6,271 in 2022. While tourists flock to Thailand for its nightlife, there's a unique aspect many encounter ladyboys. Ladyboys, or transgender individuals, live openly as women, with Thailand holding the highest rate of transgender individuals globally. These individuals, often mentioned in Thai scripture as a third gender, have easy access to gender-affirming surgeries and hormonal treatments. Ladyboys frequently work in cabarets and bars, entertaining tourists through dancing and singing. However, some ladyboys resort to work in brothels to afford surgeries and medication. Ladyboys play a significant role in Thai culture and are widely visible. However, some may exploit tourists. For example, in bars and clubs, their companionship comes at a price, and failing to pay could lead to violent confrontations. Tourists should also be cautious of drink spiking incidents, which have led to thefts and even sexual assaults. One of the most dangerous places for such incidents is the island of Koh Tao, notorious for its tourist robberies and mysterious murders. Another infamous aspect of Thailand's nightlife is the ping pong show, where performers use parts of their bodies to interact with ping pong balls. While intriguing, these shows often come with scams, such as inflated admission fees or exorbitantly priced drinks. Be cautious, ordering a drink for a performer could cost 10 times the regular price. Thailand has also been a destination for older foreign men seeking relationships with younger Thai women. This trend dates back to the Vietnam War, where it was a recreational hub for American soldiers. Today, middle-aged and older men often marry former bar girls, drawn by the country's lower living costs and the desire for someone to care for them in their later years. Unfortunately, some Thai women exploit these marriages, acquiring properties from their foreign husbands before abandoning them for Thai boyfriends. This issue has prompted the Thai government to implement regulations requiring foreign men to have at least 400,000 baht in their bank accounts and be under 50 years old when marrying Thai women. Tourists should also exercise caution during festivals, such as the Phuket Vegetarian Festival, also known as the Nine Emperor Gods Festival. Though sacred, this festival is intense, featuring trance-induced participants walking barefoot on hot coals, climbing sword ladders, and piercing themselves with sharp objects. Despite the shocking displays, participants believe these acts purify the mind and body by abstaining from worldly desires. Thailand remains a captivating destination, known for its beautiful landscapes and rich culture. Despite its darker aspects, its uniqueness continues to attract travelers worldwide. If you want to know more about the dark side of the world, then subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to watch Unload Realities.